Nail Professional, and today I'm at Mabel and Jonathan's house, and I'm helping them solve a tiny shelf problem. I have an idea for like a mid-century modern type shelving unit.
Sounds good.
Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Good, because I actually only can make 2 shelves.
Okay.
Let's get started.
Okay.
All right.
What do you need me to do?
Let's move the shelf out of the way.
Okay.
Let's go over the steps. Step 1. Determine the size and position of the shelves and locate your studs. Then step 2. Using a level, align the tracks and mark the holes. Make sure that the tracks are really straight by using a level. Step 3. Drill the holes and attach the tracks with screws and anchors if necessary. And step 4. Sand and stain the shelves, then attach your brackets. Place your shelves in style. Oh, it's heavier than it looks. Now, the problem with some of these old houses is these walls are plaster, so these stud finders don't work as well. We'll do our best. Worst case scenario, we drill and drill. You do the honors.
All right.
You're gonna squeeze and help me find the studs, and I will mark where these studs are.
Oops.
There's no studs in these walls. So next step, we're going to get the tracks. We'll put them up. We'll cut the wood, and then you're ready.
Great. I'm excited.
All right, let's get going. We took a trip to Home Depot, got everything we needed. They were nice enough there to cut the boards for us, so we don't have to do it here. And we have decided, rather than center the tracks with the wall, we're gonna put the boards in a little bit, and we are gonna center the tracks to the board. Visually, this will look better. Mabel, you're gonna mark all of the places, the holes where we're gonna drill.
Okay.
And I am going to line this up with the top. We want it to be level with the window frame. And then we'll mark all of our drill spots, and we'll drill and put it up.
Okay.
All right?
Are we doing each of the holes?
Let's do each hole, yeah. We're installing one track directly onto the stud, but the other didn't align to the stud, so we're attaching it using wall anchors. All right, Mabel, you ever drilled before?
The last time I held a drill was drilling bone, actually.
Bone, so the wall is much easier than drilling bone.
Good.
Mabel is a doctor, so she's drilled bone. Drill like it's through bone. Oh, here, you might want to just straight in. Push the button, straight in.
But am I doing starting from the top?
Yeah, just the little holes where you mark. It's only bad if there is an electrical wire there. Tighten the screws, but don't over tighten. If the holes don't line up exactly, don't worry. The tracks are flexible within reason. So Mabel, I've got a hack for you.
Yep.
I've got a Sharpie. If you want to color those screws, then you won't, they'll like kind of just blend in.
What a fantastic idea. Looking good, Laura.
One up, now it's time for the second. Okay, so here's the moment of truth. We've got both tracks on the wall. Everything seems level.
All right.
You ready to put brackets
Yep,
on?
let's do it.
All right. Mabel's shelves are 35 inches long and the tracks are spaced 27 inches apart, or 4 inches from the end of each shelf. We got shelves in 2 different sizes. This one is a 1x12 and this one's a 1x10. It kind of looks nice to have the 1x12 at the bottom. It also makes it possible to store like baskets and bins and things that are a little bigger. So we'll Put this one on the bottom. We haven't stained these yet. I'll show you an after picture with these stained, but right now we're just getting an idea of how it looks. Yeah.
Looking good.
Alright, so all that's left to do is to stain and sand the shelves, or rather sand, then stain the shelves. And because Jonathan and Mabel have a little one, we will probably drill these underneath just to make sure that the little one can't pull the shelves down. And then you can adjust to see how you like these. Looks great.
Looks great. Thanks, Laura.
Alright. Thanks for watching. This has been Lara from The Unprofessional. Check out my website at theunprofessional.com. And if you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe.
You really? So tell me, why do I need to wear this?
Because I want to see what it looks like on you. Okay, you can take it off. You actually don't need it. Hey, Laura here from The Unprofessional, and